Adani Electrical Mumbai Limited, Section 4. The charge of income tax, income, deviation of overriding title, a right to recover gap only on approval, appeal pending before appeal and tribunal court, and regulatory assets under the approval received is not taxable on the account of deviation of income from overriding title. The appeal AAR appellant authority held that the determination whether there has been a deviation of income by overriding title. It's the nature of obligation which is a decisive factor. There is a difference between the amount which a person is obligated to pay out of his income and the amount which is obligated cannot be said to be part of the income of the society. When an obligation exists, income is derived at source. Ruled that the regulatory assets under the approval received by the assessee would not be taxable in the hands but the hands of RI on the account of deviation of income by overriding titles. But where the income is required to be applied to discharge an obligation, after such income reaches assessee, the same consequence in law does not follow. The second payment merely an obligation to pay another a portion to one's income which is received and since applied. The first is the case which income reaches the assessee and who, even if he were to collect it, does not a part of his income, but for on behalf of a person to whom it is payable. Accordingly, the regulatory assets under approval of RAU received by AEML Adani Electronic Mumbai Limited will not be liable to tax in the hands of Adani Electric Mumbai Limited. It will be taxable in the hands of RI Infra. So what happens? Adani Electrons receives some money on behalf of RAAU, regulatory asset under approval. So the assessing officer decided you received the income you need to pay. But they said, sir, we received the money on behalf of them and their assets belong to them. We don't hold the title. They hold the title. So the income what we received is not our income. We is a pure agent regarding this transaction. They cleared that. That's the thing. Very good. Very good case.